Hey traders, today I want to walk you through, or in this video, I want to walk you through a few things. Firstly, the one stock that I've entered recently that I think is going to go to the moon. So moon action, here we go. But and also I just want to share a bit of a trading technique to really keep an eye out for to help you with maximizing your trading profits. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so let's get straight into today. The first thing I want to share with you is the one stock that I believe is going to make some incredible moves, and I've been watching it for quite some time, and that is what we're looking at right now. Can anyone have a guess of this? Is it Apple? Is it the 10-year? Is it the Euro USD? These are all the stocks that I look at as well too. Actually, I was looking at Euro. I was actually looking to place a trade on the Euro. I trade everything, guys, by the way. If you guys know anything about me, I'm a trader of markets. I look at the Forex market, the futures market. I'm looking at stocks. I trade options. There's so much opportunity. Now, Alibaba is one stock that I have personally I've entered, okay, and I entered a few days. I entered, what was that, down here around 124. I entered on there. Now the reason why I did that is, look at this. If let me actually this one here, okay, let me actually just blow this chart. Whoa, too much. Let me just go to one chart here for a minute, and I'm going to go to the weekly chart. Check this out. Now, there is such a thing. Now, there's, you know, sometimes when you're talking and there's like two thoughts that come banging in your head, you're like, but, and the brain goes, I'm fried. Okay. Anyway, so the first thing that this is a very cautious bottom potential in Alibaba, but we are still making significant lower highs, lower high. So this could be another lower high. So I'm being very aggressive with my stop loss as well too. Actually, I think my stop is above break even now because I've been in it for about a week. But the thing that I'm looking at when it comes to Alibaba is this. Look, check this out. Look at this here. Notice how we've been going down for a while. And look what happened here. What happens sometimes is the market will give you what we call an end of trend indicator. Okay, the market will come down, it'll hold support, and it'll flush down past support, and then it'll do much, and then it won't do much, and then it'll get back above it. See that low through there? This is a weekly chart we're looking at with Alibaba. And now Alibaba did what? It broke down, did not much. How about that grammar for you? Did not much. And now we're breaking back up. So this to me is like, okay, this could be potentially the bottom in Alibaba, and I want to take advantage of that. On top of what I just shared with you just then, if I go to my daily charts, look what's happened here. We're forming what? A double bottom. Look at this here. So we formed a one bottom here, and a double bottom there. So when we got up to, what was it, 124? No, it was right there. It was this day right here. That's where I got into it, okay? Right there. As we got up to there, I'm like, okay, we're probably going to break up from this double bottom. And the double bottom sort of projection on this double bottom is, let me just do the projection from the bottom to the tippy. That's right. And then we project that up like so. So at least there's a projection of the double bottom of getting towards that 150 level. So because I did get into there and the market ran up, my stop is basically around the break even level now. If we do back off a little bit, I'm probably going to get stopped out because it is really against this big weekly downward trend. So this could be nothing but just not a slingshot move or false breakdown. But looking at where we are right now, this could be the start of a big move up. So I really wanted to be in it to see what was going on. So that's what I'm seeing right now when it comes to Alibaba. Just this very big. If I go to my weekly chart, the market does this, flushes down, does not much. What is that? Does not much. It doesn't do much. It does not much. and then we get a reversal. Okay, so now that's what I'm looking at there when it comes to the good old Alibaba on that chart there. The next thing I really want to share with you is oil. Okay, this is a trading technique I really want you to focus on. One of the hard things that most traders have when they actually trade the markets is they get so concrete in their one way, but they don't understand. But the market is fluid, right? The market is doing something today, and then next week it could be forming into something else. It's fluidity. Fluidity? It's fluidity. Yeah, it's got a lot of fluid behind it. So I just thought of something really, really, really bad to say, but I'm like, do I say it? Anyway. So, but look at this here, okay? I really want you to focus on simple trend analysis. Notice here we have a move down, okay? Move down. Well, look what happened here. Low. So oil was getting hammered through November into this December, right? December ran up, made a high. This is actually a high, potentially a low there, okay? And then now a lower high. Look what happened here. We did what? We made a higher low. And we broke past, look at that there. That was what? Breaking past previous highs. So who's in control here? In an upward trend, we have a higher low, breaking past previous highs. So why is oil now almost back up at $85 again? Where was the warning sign that this downward leg, the bing, this thing here, what was the warning sign? Very, 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 very simple stuff, right? Well, I don't need to look at indicators because it's the chart that tells me what's going on. And then it's the simple trend analysis, right? Low, high, that was the change in trend there. And now look where we are right now. We're about to break up and continue up, and that was the change in trend. So always do this. This actually happened with Apple as well too. So it was just so beautiful when it happened with Apple. Look at this here, back here with Apple. Okay, so we look at here. So we had a downward leg, rallied up, made a higher low, broke past previous highs, and look what's happened ever since, right? Come up. Now what it's doing, right? This is why it's called fluidity, right? Fluidity. That's the new term. Fluidity in the markets. Once again, guys, we must bend and mold, right? Because a lot of comments, people say, John, 2 weeks ago, you said the market's doing this. Yeah, that was 2 weeks ago. Get with the program. There's 2 weeks of data that's actually appeared. So we as traders need to bend and mold with the data, the data, right? But what's happening with the data right now? On Apple, right? We have a double top and now a double bottom. Where's it going to break? If we do something like this and break this here, guess where we're probably going to run down to? Probably down to this next support level. It's probably going to do something like this here. It may even be a really good shorting opportunity, potentially, maybe on a shorter term. Let me have a look at that shorter term chart. Oh, look at all those lines. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, I don't like the lines. That's what I'm talking about there. Anyway, so that's really that's the thing I wanted to share with you, okay? That there's the one stock that I'm really like, the one stock that's going to the moon. And then also the really important things to look out for when we're looking at these markets and focusing on these markets, because the market is always giving us these patterns. And that's why looking at one bar is not the key to success in the markets. It's the overall story, okay? What's the story through here? Markets, the sellers are in control, right? We're getting big movement down. Suddenly the market ran up, came back down. What's happening here? Oh, the story's changing, isn't it? Last month, sellers are getting whacked. This month now, what's happening? The buyers are starting to pick back up. Now, this is short term, guys, but it's important to stay in tune with what the market's doing. And this here has that nice move up for you. So, guys, always bend and mold and flow with the markets. And if you just stick with this one thing that I'm talking about here, as you can see that there's a lot of opportunities just like this here. So for oil, and that's the reason why I believe the energy sector has been going nuts lately as well, because the oil has been rising. As you guys know, I've absolutely just crushed it a week or so ago on the energy market. I traded the XLE, which is the energy ETF. Let me just bring this up through here, right? If I just bring up, say, XOM, which was the stock, right? Same with XOM, just absolutely just crushed it on these stocks. Again, just by looking at what these stocks are doing. Now these I didn't trade the XOM and the XLE and so on and so forth because oil was doing it, but the interesting thing is that oil has been going crazy, and so has the energy market. And again, guys, you can go back and check my video. I did a video this day right here saying we're getting ready for it, so you guys can go check that out. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Speak to you soon. So traders, when I first started trading, I lost $250,000 trading the markets. And then I got access to a few 7-figure mentors that really set me straight on what I need to do with the foundations, how to read the charts, the trading systems, the mindset, so on and so forth. And then that was the massive turning point for me to be doing really well from actual trading and being successful trading. So what I've done is I've created a course called the Breakthrough Course. And what I've done is I've actually put a whole bunch of really good education and strategies and processes that helped me go from $250,000 in debt to then actually becoming a full-time trader, making a full-time income from trading. And I'm actually running a flash sale to that trading course. So if you go to johnsflashsale.com, or there should be a link in the description. If there's not, then go to johnsflashsale.com. That's JOHNS flashsale.com. Go to johnsflashsale.com and you'll be able to get access to this course now for $7. So go get access to that right now, guys, and I'll see you real soon.